Today's question.
Hello everyone, today we start with this question. In this series we are solving IIT JAM previous year questions, and this question was came in IIT JAM 2025 exam. Here they give one bicyclic compound, and here they give three reagents. First, when you start to solve this question, you saw these reagents. Here they give three reagents. First they give sodium cyanide in acidic medium, second they give lithium aluminum hydride, and third they give NaNO2 in HCl. With first reagent, here nucleophilic substitution reaction will happen, and second they give lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride is known as reducing agent, and in third step, after reduction, then we get compound react with NaNO2 in presence of HCl, and then we get our final product. So here in first step, nucleophilic substitution reaction happen. Here in sodium cyanide, cyanide act as nucleophile and attack on this carbonyl group, and this bond electron shift to here on oxygen atom. So here what we get, here we get OH, and here we get cyanide. This is our intermediate. After first step we get this intermediate. It is a cyanohydrine. What we call this? We call this intermediate cyanohydrine. So after first step we get this intermediate. Now they give lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride, it is a reducing agent. So here two functional groups are here. Lithium aluminum hydride reduce this cyanide group. So what we get here? Here we get CH2 and H2. This lithium aluminum hydride reduce this cyanide group and form 1 degree amine here. What we get? 1 degree amine. This is the carbon number 1 and this is the carbon number 2. Here 1 to position 2 functional groups are present, and this is the look like elimination reaction. In E2 elimination reaction, you know that in anti-periplanar leaving group leave the compound, anti-periplanar hydrogen move to that carbon atom. So here also semi-pinacole-pinacolon rearrangement happen. In pinacole-pinacolon rearrangement, it is a molecular rearrangement, and in this rearrangement the atom or carbon group or atom move to an electron deficient carbon. So what happened after third step? In third step, here they give NaNO2 and HCl. After react with NaNO2 and HCl, this NH2 group convert into diazonium ion, and this diazonium ion leave this group. So what we get after third step? Here this structure is same. Here you saw 1 OH, here CH, and after treat with NaNO2 and HCl, this NH2 group convert into diazonium. And now you saw this is the best living group. So what happened after this stage? These electrons return to this bond again, and one bond migrate to this carbon atom, and this diazonium group is leave. So here you saw, here two bonds are present. This is the bond 1 and this is the bond 2. So after these electrons come to this carbon oxygen bond and form double bond, and this bond will be migrate to this bond electron, migrate to this carbon atom, we named 1, and this carbon carbon bond we named 2. So here two bonds are present, bond 1 and bond 2. Which bond will be migrate? It's depend on migratory aptitude of pinacole-pinacolon rearrangement. So according to migratory aptitude, anti-periplanar bond migrate to this carbon. So here, so according to this scenario, this bond anti-periplanar to this diazonium ion. So this bond will be migrate here, and this diazonium leave this compound, and here carbocation is formed. So to fulfill electron deficiency of this carbon, this bond will be migrate here, and after the migration, what we get? After the migration, after the migration, this is the this is our alcoholic group, and this is the our carbon CH2, and this is our group. After third step, these oxygen electron shift on this carbon oxygen bond and form double bond, and here this C2 carbon bond migrate to this C2 bond migrate to this carbon atom. So here what we get? This here we get 2 CH2 after one carbon attached with this group. So here 1 CH2, this is our CH2 number 2 here. So after this rearrangement, we get final product like this. Arrange this. So it is our final product. So this is our final product. We check in given options. In option number C only match with our product. So here option C is correct. So according to this mechanism, we get this final product, and in given options only option C match with this